How to change WhatsApp background. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So to change WhatsApp background, what you have to do is you have to open your WhatsApp app and then click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you can see this little side menu appears in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the settings from this menu, and then you can see in the second option from this page, chats. Click on the chats, and after clicking on the chats you can see the wallpaper option and the display tab. Second option from the top, click on the wallpaper, and here you can see the this wallpaper, and under this wallpaper you can see this change button with the green color. Click on this change button, and when you click on this change button, then you can see all these options. Now you can also choose the bright chat wallpapers. So you can choose any of the wallpapers. You can scroll through all the wallpapers, and if you like any of the wallpapers, click on the wallpaper, and then you can download it, and then you can after downloading it by clicking on this, and then click and to set wallpaper, you can see in the bottom set wallpaper option. Click on the set wallpaper option, and then you can set the wallpaper. So you can do this with the other dark. You can go to the dark wallpaper, and then you can also choose the dark wallpaper by clicking on it, and then you can set the wallpaper by clicking on the set wallpaper option in the bottom. And you can also choose the solid colors by scrolling through, and then you can put a color that you want, and then you can click on the set wallpaper button in the bottom, and then you can go back to, and then you can also choose the my photos. You can choose any of the chat background from the my photos. You can choose any of the photos. So let's see, I show you. So let's see, I go to this gallery, and then I want to choose this photo. When you click on the any of this photo, then you can see this also set wallpaper button in the bottom. So to set this, you have to click on the set wallpaper button, and then you can see it is changed. And now when I go to any of my chats, so let's see this, then it will look like so here you can see the chat background is changed. So that's basically that how you can change your chat background. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.